I'm going to weigh in on the natural versus lab grown diamond debate. And something that people are not talking about enough is antique diamonds. Now, if that's not your style, a lot of them are very like chunky, a little like flatter, but they are stunning. And it could definitely be seen as a more ethical way to have a natural diamond. And depending on which way you go about it, it might actually be more cost effective. When my husband and I were looking at rings a few years ago, lab grown was still considered a cardinal sin by all of these jewelers who are now pushing lab growns. Moissanite, for some reason, was still more accepted than lab grown, but lab grown was like an absolutely not. But for me, I always actually liked antique stones. So old mine cut, mine is an old European cut. It's like round, but it's a little bit flatter. And we didn't realize that this would actually be a more cost-effective route because the color grade is graded lower but faces up super white. So my stone is almost 2.5 carats and it looks pretty white, and the color is like an M or an N color. So because you can go with a lower color grade, you can kind of save on the cost. So over almost 2.5 carat diamond would have probably been at least ten to $15,000 more than what he spent on this ring if it was a natural diamond that was newer. So that's just, if you want something that is natural but you still want to save on the cost, then you might want to consider antique diamond. And then for me, I always think about like, who could have worn this diamond in the past? Like, was it somebody else's engagement ring? Was it part of like a big necklace or a brooch or something? Like, just thinking about the fact that there's history behind this ring is just something really special to me. And I think it's a really fun heirloom that'll hopefully pass down one day.